and balance in the rolling machine. Loosen this part until it doesn't sense. Tighten the second valve clockwise. Then press the up and down buttons. Obviously, it's not enough. Repeat the steps. Tighten the second valve and press the button again. It's not enough. The same steps. Obviously, it's a little loose. Tighten it up a little. It's okay. Once adjusted, lower the round stick to its lowest point, then tighten the parts that came loose at the beginning. Press the up and down buttons to test that the round rollers are normal.